Oh, hey, I didn't notice you there. I was just exercising like I totally do every day. Why do people do this? So I've made it. We're back in Japan. It's now been an entire month since I've been here. I have attempted to shoot a vlog video twice to do the, hey, I've made it, but I just didn't get around to it. This is my old office room, which I have been banished to. We're kind of using it for storage for now. We're in the process of rearranging our whole apartment, and it's also where our tortoise Diego lives.
Are you so shy?
He's so big now. One day he'll go to high school, and then tortoise college. As you may have noticed in the background is all my nerd junk, except for this, which is my wife's, and a really ripped lady on it. My Gundam collection and my Hachiroku, and then also our Star Wars stuff that we had signed. So it's a little bit loud in our apartment. It's a little bit crammed, but we're gonna stick around here for a little while longer. We're gonna try to fix it up, and that's, I mean, I don't really have anything to say. This is a vlog. I made a vlog and I was like, I'm gonna update you guys when I move, and I don't know who you guys are. I mean, you know, I'm assuming it's just family and friends. Why do I have to deconstruct everything I do? I need a recharge, so let's vitamin. Pretty good. So I just wanted to update everybody that I have made it to Japan. We're live. I started my job 3.5 weeks ago or something like that, or maybe, yeah, it was about a month ago. I started my job about a month ago. It was pretty shortly after I got here, and I don't know, things have been going okay. We're trying to figure it out. I mean, I'm trying to figure it out. My wife is from here, so she's got to figure it out. As you know, this is a nothing content video. This is a nothing. I have nothing to say. I'm not doing anything. I'm just getting ready for work, and I thought that I would make time to shoot this really quick because I said I would, and for no other reason. Anyway, hey, YouTubers, hey guys, we should like, comment, and subscribe for this fantastic vlog content. Leave a comment below if you want to see me eat more Kit Kats. Oh look, there's one. Hey, I got a raspberry Kit Kat. You want to see me eat it? All right. It was really good. It's really good. But anyway, I'm in the process of trying to do more stupid content, and then I'm still working on all the other shit I've been working on for the past like 4 years. I've had to learn how to make videos the past few years, and I had to learn how to shoot, and I had to learn how to record, I had to learn how to make stop motion video, I had to learn how to, I'm in the process of trying to learn how to do motion graphics, like visual effects, to finish off this project. And I was trying to learn how to do music, and I tried to pay a guy to do some music, and I liked it, but it just wasn't quite right. So I think I'm going to purchase some other music, and then the mech review project, the first episode, will finally be finished. And then the second episode is not going to take very long to make, because all of the graphics and all of the you know, the title cards and the intros and outros and the style and all the stuff on camera is already shot. So I want to get that done this year. That's like my biggest goal. So, and with my current job, I have a lot of free time, and I can take a laptop in and sit in the office and work on stuff. So I really want to get that done. The Nippon dream has come to fruition. God. So just in case you were curious, how am I doing? How are we doing? What are we doing? I'm trying to work on like side stuff while also working on my job. Wife's at her job. We're fixing up our apartment. That's pretty much all we're doing right now, and eventually I want to shoot more videos. I've been editing some stuff already that we've already shot just the past few weeks. I did Hanami for the first time. We went walking around our local temple, which I think is pretty cool. And you know, there's probably a couple of little videos here and there I want to try to do this year. My goal is to do at least one video a month. I would like to do a mech review video every other month if I can actually get that finished. So I don't know, I've always wanted to do more videos, and it's always like, I don't have time, and I gotta do this other stuff, but now I don't have that problem. So we're gonna see how this works. So I feel like this video wasn't stupid enough. but maybe it was. Everything's fine. We haven't been typhooned or earthquaked to death yet. So I'll see you next time. Hopefully we'll be doing something interesting. Ugh, that was such a weird face. Bye-bye.